What's up, guys? I want to give you a little update on the car as well as the channel. For the car, I got some new wheels and tires. The wheels are Avid AVO1s. They are 18 by 9.5 plus 24, and they're wrapped in Toyo tire Proxes 255 35 18. And then for the channel updates, I want to say sorry for the lack of content for the last couple months. I got injured really bad at work at the end of January and just got recently cleared to go back to full duty. I would be returning back to work, but I'm actually planning on moving down to Texas in July. So this will probably be one of the last videos, or the last video this month. So when I get down to Texas, there's going to be a bunch of content for me. I have a bunch of car friends down there, and we have some plans for content. I'm going to be grinding down there for the channel a lot as well, and as well for my future. And I wanted to thank you guys for all the support and enjoy the video.